What we study in my laboratory and other laboratories that are associated with this project is the genetic and environmental influences on reading difficulties. We focus a lot on basic reading skills and language skills that are related to reading. A reading difficulty and related attention problems in some children is an exceedingly complex pattern of behavior that probably varies widely across different individuals.
So we ask students to ask the test subjects to say non-words or words that don't exist. We'll ask them to say real words and leave out some certain sounds, and we'll see to what extent they can manipulate these sounds and where that occurs in their development.
To understand the degree to which genes make a difference in kids' behavior, we look at the results from identical and fraternal twins. Once children have completed that first year of formal reading instruction, the genetic influence on individual variation becomes dominant over differences in shared family environment. For many children who fail in learning to read, the fault does not necessarily lie with the family environment or with the school environment.
So for us, I think anytime there can be some testing or there can be some study that goes into that where they might be able to tell us a little bit more about how they operate and how they work, we can support them better. We can encourage them better. We can help them to move forward better.
This research is very important because it changes people's lives.
I really love research into children's issues, so I want to figure out some way of applying my research to actual children in their everyday lives.
We're hoping that by understanding what sorts of things influence reading disabilities and learning disabilities, that we can work with the schools later and put our research out there to give the schools some idea of how best to help the kids.
The work we do is really relevant to decisions that our government, our legislators make about what the expectations should be for all children.